Hi everyone, thanks for joining me today. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make an icord. We're going to start by making a slip knot. And we're going to use 4 pegs for this icord. So go ahead and make a slip knot, and then we're going to place it right by the anchor peg. Right there. Now I always like to take my tail and put it in the circle so it's not in my way. Then we're going to start wrapping. So again, this is going to take 4 pegs. We're going to use 4 pegs for this icord. So we're going to wrap, doing like the E-wrap. And then we're going to place our working yarn over those 4 pegs. Then we're going to take the bottom over the top. Just knit over. Now we're going to push those stitches down. Take the working yarn, spread it from the back, go from the back to the front, and knit those pegs over again. So you're going to knit those same stitches over. So using 4 pegs, 4 stitches. So bring it from the back and wrap it to the front again. Knit over. This is how we're going to make our icord. So you continue doing the same pattern until you reach the goal of how big you want your icord to be. So just continue wrapping it from behind and then wrapping it in front and then knitting over those stitches. Keep going until you reach your desired length of your icord. Now you can also make an icord with 2 or 3 pegs if you want a little thin cord. It just all depends on what it is you're making. Now I'm going to show you how to take the icord off of the loom. So first we'll take this stitch off and move it to the right. Now we're going to take the stitch on the right and move it over to the left. Pull on your cord a little. Now knit these 2 stitches over. So go ahead and knit those over. Now we're going to take the stitch on the left and put it on the right, knit over. We're going to take the cord off of the loom. And again, for longer things, you can make as long of an icord as you want. I'm doing a pumpkin stem, so give it a cut. Now take your tail and put it through the last loop and make a knot. If you need to, make a double knot. You just want that to be secure, and then you'll take your icord and do the rest of your project. For this is a pumpkin stem, so I'm just going to sew this onto my pumpkin, but that's basically how you do an I-cord. And again, you can make it as long or as short as you need to. And that's going to do it for another edition of Loom Knitting Basics. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you at the next one.